Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error where Microsoft Messenger says you'll need to allow microphone for calls, then either you will click on the option which is present there or do the following. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the privacy and security tab on the list on the left hand side, scroll down to microphone in the right pane, okay, and then switch. So this is what is going to solve it. If you find any app called Facebook Messenger here, then you can turn that one on too. And if that doesn't solve either, then search for Messenger in the Windows search bar and click on app settings in the right pane. Okay. Now under background app permissions, select always. So this is going to give it all the required accesses. And now try to launch it. If it still doesn't work, terminate it, repair it, and reset it. Okay, wait till you get the tick marks here and then try launching it again. Does it work? If not, then just uninstall this app and uninstall it. Let it get uninstalled completely. Then search for Store in the Windows search bar and go to Microsoft Store and search for Messenger here. And then click on Messenger and select Install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.